Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib Hassan and welcome to Nasib IT. So guys, today in this video I am going to show you how can you design a lap shape by using Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. So guys, first of all we have to set our face. To do it, we have to click on the file, then you have to select new. Then we have to select inches from this box. Then you have to click on this box and type here 7 inches, then click on this box and type here 4 inches. Then you have to click on advanced option, then select 300 ppi, then click on create. So after creating the page, you have to select the shape tool, then you have to select the rectangle tool, then you have to press and hold the shift key, then draw a square in here. Then you have to click on stroke, then disable the stroke, then click on fill, then you have to select any color from here. For example, I am selecting the blue color. I am selecting the red color. So after selecting the color, you have to select the move tool, then you have to select this shape, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this. So you have to drag this side of this rectangle into the center of the main rectangle. So I am selecting this rectangle and I am dragging this rectangle this side into the center of this rectangle. So after that you have to select this rectangle, then select any point, you have to select any corner of this rectangle, then drag this in here. You have to drag this in 0.63 inches. So after taking a copy, you have to drag this circle in here. You have to drag this circle center into this side of the main rectangle. So after doing this, you have to select all shapes from here, then you have to select the shape builder tool. Then you have to select all area of the shapes. So then you have to select the move tool, then press and hold the shift key, then rotate this. So you have to rotate these shapes into 45 degree. So then you have to select the move tool again, then drag this in here. So after designing the shape, you can change the color of these shapes. Also you can select any gradient color from the gradient panel. So if you don't have the gradient panel, so you have to click on the windows, then you have to select gradient from here. And if you already have the gradient panel, so you don't need to do this. So I am selecting a gradient color for this shape. So I am selecting this one from here. Then I am selecting the red color. So now I am selecting this point and I am selecting this color from here. But you can select any color for your design. For example, you can select pink color. Also you can select purple color. You can select any color from here. So I am selecting the pink color. So after selecting the gradient color, you can see the color has been successfully applied on my shape. So in this way, you can design a lap shape by using Adobe Illustrator. So if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.